Hello everyone, welcome to KPS. So these forces F1 is equals to A into I minus J plus K, F2 is equals to 2I minus 3J plus 4K, and F3 is equals to 8I minus 7J plus 6K act simultaneously on a particle. If the particle is in equilibrium, then the value of A is three forces acting on a particle. If this is the particle, three forces acting on a particle F1, F2, F3 simultaneously, then the particle is in equilibrium position. So condition for this one, that F1 plus F2 plus F3 is equals to 0. F1, so A into I minus J plus K plus F2 2I minus 3J plus 4K plus F3 8I minus 7J plus 6K equal to 0. So multiply that A inside, AI minus AJ plus AK plus here 2I and 8I, so 10I minus 3J minus 7J minus 10J plus 4K plus 6K plus 10K equal to 0. Now find out the similar terms like AI 10I. So from this one we can take common I, A plus 10 we can write, and here minus AJ minus 10J, you can take minus J, and here you will get A plus 10, and here AK plus 10K, so here we can take common A, K, so A plus 10 equal to 0. Here 0 means 0 is nothing but null vector it is, so that can be written I into A plus 10 minus J into A plus 10 plus K into A plus 10 is equal to 0I plus 0J plus 0K. When you are going to write like this, left hand terms can compare with the right hand side terms. So I into A plus 10, 0I. So I terms if we compare, instead of I is here, but instead of that constant term, so here 0 is there. Then A plus 10 is equals to 0. So that means A is equals to, you will get minus 10. You can compare these two also. A plus 10 equal to 0, A equal to minus 10. And you can compare these two also. A plus 10 equal to 0, A is equals to minus 10. So this is the solution for this question. Okay. So coordinates of a particle moving in xy plane at any instant of time t are x is equals to 4t square and y is equals to 3t square, the speed of the particle at that instant. So particle is moving with respect to x-axis 4t square, with respect to y-axis 3t square. That means if time is changing after 1 second with respect to x-axis, if you are seeing x is equals to 4 into 1 square, 4 ones are 4 you will get, and y equal to 3 will get. But for second is position, t value if you are taking as 2 seconds, then t square is nothing but 2 square, 4 16 meter distance is traveling. And here with respect to x-axis, that is, and with respect to y-axis if you are seeing 3 into t square, t value we are taking 2 seconds, no, 2 2s are 4, 4 3 are 12 meters distance it traveled. So for every 1 second its position is changing. That means these two are telling that position of the particle changing with respect to time. Now with respect to x-axis, position of the particle t square, and with respect to y-axis, position of the particle is 3t square. By doing the differentiation these two equations with respect to x and with respect to y, we can get the speed of the particle with respect to x, with respect to y. So differentiation with respect to x if you are doing, then dx by dt is equals to d by dt of 4t square, and here also dy by dt is equals to d by dt of 3t square. So dx by dt, change in position with respect to time is nothing but a rate of change of position is called speed, x-axis. So Vx is equals to, so 4 is a constant, and dt square by dt, and dy by dt is with respect to y-axis, speed of an object. Change in position by time gives, or else a change in distance by time gives speed on y-axis is equals to 3 is constant, then dt square by dt we can write for this one. It is, so differentiation, if you're doing this one, there is a formula for this one, d by dt of t power n is equals to n into t power n minus 1. So exponential value 1 will be decreased if you're doing differentiation for this one, as well as that exponential value whatever it is there that comes here, it multiply the total term. So that means here Vx is equals to 4 into, so t term, t square term, so the 2 will come here, so t power 2 is equals to 2 into t power 2 minus 1, 2 into t power 2 minus 1, then Vx is equals to 4 to 80 will get it. So in the same way, Vy is equals to, this is the formula, Vy is equals to 3 into dt power 2, so power 2, that is nothing but t power n, instead of t power n, t power 2 is there, n into t power n minus 1, 2 into t power 2 minus 2, 2 into t power 2 minus 1, Vy is equals to 3 to just 6, 60 will get it is. So velocity of the particle, sorry, speed of the particle on x-axis is 80, and the speed of the particle on y-axis is 60. So total velocity, what is the resultant velocity? So V is equals to under root v square x plus v square y. So we already know about v square x, 80 whole square plus v square y, 60 whole square, and v is equals to under root 64 t square plus 36 t square. V is equals to under root 100 t square, that 100 t square can be written as 10t whole square, square root cancel, and V is equals to 10t. The coordinates of head and tail of a vector are 2 comma 1 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 2 comma minus 3. So the magnitude of the vector is like, this is the vector, this is tail, and this is head. So tail A if you are taking, and this is B if you are taking, A is equals to 2i plus j minus 0k, you can take it as plus 0k also. B is equals to minus 4i plus 2j minus 3k. Then head and tail, whole length if you want to get, that is BA is equals to B minus A, we can take this, minus 4i plus 2j minus 3k minus 2i plus j plus 0k. So minus 4i plus 2j minus 3k minus 2i minus j minus 0k. So minus 4i minus 2i minus 6i plus 2j minus j, so you get plus j, and minus 3k minus 0k, so minus 3k you will get this. So now they are asking to find the magnitude of the vector, is nothing but P a bar, is equals to under root minus 6 whole square, nothing is there means 1, so 1 square minus plus of minus 3 whole square, 6 6 is 36 plus 1 3 3 is 9, so get 36 plus 1 plus 9, that value is equals to 46 units you will get it. Next problem, if one of the rectangular components of force P is 3p by 5, the other component is, so one of the rectangular component they are telling it is nothing but x-axis, y-axis, this is origin, so there is a force P and it's one of the rectangular component, either x-axis or y-axis you can take, so that I am taking one of those 3p by 5, then what is that other component, so this is resolving, P is resolving into two components, one is x-axis, another one is y-axis, so you can see here what is the distance from here to here, same distance will be there, that we don't know, that is x, we are taking it is x, then you can see there is a right angle triangle, then if we find x, then that becomes other component of the given force. So this is 3p by 5 and it is making an angle theta, you can take, and now this is x, this is p, we already know from the Pythagoras theorem, if you are taking this O, A and a P, so OA square plus AB square is equals to OB square, we can write OA square plus AB square is equals to OB square, OA square 3p by 5 whole square plus AB square x square is equals to OB square P square, x square is equals to P square, this total term transpose from left hand side to right hand side, then 3p by 5, 3p by 5 whole square means 9 p square by 25, so x square is equals to, we can take LCM here, it is 25 p square minus 9 p square by 25, x square is equals to 16 p square by 25, x square is equals to 4p by 5, we can write like whole square, and squares if you removing both sides, then we can write 4p by 5. So this is the solution for the given problem. Next problem, if a bar is equals to 4a plus 6j plus 3k and b bar equal to 3a plus 4j plus 5k, then a bar dot b bar equal to, so a bar dot b bar is equals to 4i plus 6j plus 3k dot 3i plus 4j plus 5k, 4i dot 3i plus 6j dot 4j plus 3k dot 5k, 4 3s are 12, I dot I plus 6 4s are 24, j dot j plus 5 3s are 15, k dot k, that equal to 12 into 1 plus 24 into 1 plus 15 into 1, which is equals to 12 plus 24 plus 15, 24 plus 12, 36 plus 15, so you will get 51. Next problem, If a bar and b bar are vectors such that modulus of a bar plus b bar equal to modulus of a bar minus b bar, then the angle between a bar and b bar is, what is that angle between a bar? So sum of the resultant of the a bar and b bar is equals to sum of the resultant difference of the resultant of a bar and b bar. So modulus of a bar plus b bar equal to modulus of a bar minus b bar. According to parallelogram law vector addition, so resultant if we want to find, under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta is equal to under root a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Can write, so squaring on both sides can cancel the root, and you will get a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. So plus a square minus plus b square get cancelled. So 2ab cos theta is equals to minus 2ab cos theta. Transpose those. 2ab cos theta plus 2ab cos theta equal to 0. Then 2ab plus 2ab will get 4ab cos theta equal to 0. Cos theta is equals to 0 by, we can write 4ab. Why? Because the left hand side they are multiplying, so transpose that side, they goes to denominator. Then cos theta is equals to 0 you will get. For what angle that cos theta equal to 0 you will get? Cos theta is equals to cos 90. So then theta is equals to 90 degrees. That means the resultant of these two are perpendicular to each other.